Hello and welcome. In this guide, you'll learn how to upload and send photos or videos on Skype and ensure they are sent in high quality, not compressed or blurry. Whether you're using Skype for casual chatting or professional meetings, keeping the original quality of your media matters, especially when clarity and detail are important. Let's get started. Unlock your phone and launch the Skype app. Make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account. Once you're on the main screen, tap on your profile photo or initials in the top left corner of the app. This opens your main profile and settings menu. Tap on Settings, then tap Data and Storage, and you'll see Image Upload Quality options. Tap it. Inside the image section, you may see an option like 1. Automatic, send high-res images except on poor networks. 2. Always send full-size, send original images with no compression. 3. Always send in high-resolution, optimize images for high resolution. 4. Always send low resolution, send smaller images for faster uploads. For better results, select Always send in high resolution. Once uploaded, the media will be sent. Your recipient can now download the full quality file without distortion. Tips to ensure high quality. 1. Use sender's file whenever possible. 2. Avoid taking photos, videos directly from the in-app camera, those often get compressed. 3. If file size is too big, use cloud services, Google Drive, OneDrive, and share the link via Skype. 4. Always use a stable internet connection to avoid interrupted uploads. That's it. You've now learned how to send photos and videos on Skype without losing quality. Whether you're sharing vacation memories or important business presentations, your media will now look just as crisp and clear as it should.